In one African jungle, a monkey sets out on a solemn quest in search of the perfect banana. Unknown to him, nothing is perfect on earth except the Creator. I know you want to hear how the story went, but maybe another day. Let's go to the video now. In today's video, you will be learning how to create professional voiceover like this one for free, especially for your Faceless YouTube channel. Don't worry, I am one of the voices you can choose from.
Imagine hearing that voice and then hearing mine. Such a contrast, you would say. Well, you're welcome to the video. Today is going to be an exciting time where we'll be hoping to learn everything that we need in terms of how to create professional voiceover like the one you heard in the video you just watched. The voiceover you just heard, you can create it and it's all for free. I'll be showing you how to do this. Now, this is to encourage every one of us who wants to start up a YouTube channel. You don't want to show your face, you want to do it behind the scene. There are several YouTube channels that are faceless and have been totally monetized. You too can do that, and I'll be showing you today how to do just that. All right, so the first thing to do is, let's say you don't have a script for your video. You don't even have a script for your video. How are you going to do that? Go to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to help you generate the script for your video. Let's tell ChatGPT to help us generate 10 fun facts about babies. What you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to help you to summarize it in a way, or to put it in a form that is going to be for a voiceover artist. All right, as you can see, ChatGPT is generating this, and of course everything I'm doing is all for free. So I'll be taking a portion of the whole thing. This is just to guide us. So let me just say I'll be taking the first two paragraphs ChatGPT has generated for us. So I'll copy it, Control C, and then you will go to this website, which I will tell you now. It's called 11labs.io. Sign up for a free account on the website. Now, when you sign up on the 11labs.io, you would get an interface just like the one you are seeing. On this platform, on the left side, you see speech. This is a Create History Project. Create is where you create the speech you want to translate, or you want to get a voiceover on. And under here you are seeing text to speech, and here you have speech to speech. It says create speech by combining the style and content of an audio file you upload with a voiceover of your choice. Now, before we paste our text, you would see same on this left hand side, you will see voices, and there's a drop down arrow here. So click on the drop down and then you will see create and or explore. So let's go click on explore, so you can come to voice library. All right, so in this voice library, you have an option of selecting as many voiceovers as you want. You can see here, middle-aged American male. Let's check out how it will sound.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
Okay, let's say you don't want that. You can scroll down and check out other option. Old British male.
So is cheerfulness, or a good temper. The more it is spent, the more remains.
Imagine how it sounds. It sounds as if these are just natural voices. So the voice I used in the introductory video you saw is this one, Kwame storyteller, young African male. I just liked it. Let's hear the sample.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Because I've already added it, that's why it's written here, already added. Okay, let me hear this old British.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
Okay, let's say I want to add this one to my voices, or the voices I would want to use. You will see here, add to voice lab. So you click on the add to voice lab and you can just click on add voice here. Good, voice has been added. So finish. Now you've added the voice you want to use. So we go back to the speech. Up here, you click on the speech and you see create. Click on create. Now remember, we copied a text from ChatGPT. In this box is where you're going to paste the text you've copied. Like this video and also share to others who might be looking out for online businesses. What I do in this channel is to try out some things I see online on how you can make money online, and I educate you whether it is something for you to try on, and also show you profitable ways you can earn money online. If this is something you're interested in, especially as a Christian, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell as well so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. And then up here where you have settings, you have this drop down. First is the voice you want to use. This is the voice Kwame Storyteller, the one I used for the introductory video you watched. And the second one is the one I just added, Harrison. So you can click on Harrison. I've selected Harrison voice now. And then down here you have generate. So click on generate.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the incredible world of babies, where every tiny detail is a marvel. So buckle up for 10 fascinating facts that will leave you in awe of these little bundles of joy. First up, did you know that babies are born with some seriously impressive reflexes? Watch closely, and you'll see the Moro reflex in action. That adorable startle and arm spread when they feel like they're taking a mini free fall.
Maybe you're wondering if you can download the audio. Of course, yes, you can download it. How do you download? You see down here, you have an arrow up. Click on this arrow and you will see this arrow pointing down here. Just click on it and automatically it's downloaded to your system. And that's how you can get a rich voiceover for your video. I'll be showing you how you can get free soundtrack so that your video don't get copyright claims on them. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
In one African jungle, a monkey sets out on a solemn quest in search of the perfect banana. Unknown to him, nothing is perfect on earth except the Creator.